Okay guys, now rapper Eve is a mom. Eve shared on her Instagram a photo of her newborn sleeping in a Moses basket, announcing our beautiful boy was born February 1st, 2022. Wilde Wolf Fife Alexander Somers Cooper. Words can't describe this feeling. Husband Maximillion Cooper shared the same photo to his Instagram, saying, "Let the wild rampus begin." This is Eve's first child, a son, with husband Maximillion, who has 4 teenage children from his previous marriage. In November, Eve announced the exciting news that she and husband Cooper were expecting their first baby together in February. Eve married the British entrepreneur in June 2014 after 4 years of dating. Congratulations, Eve!